Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing. Now, truthfully, I already opened these up because I couldn't wait. But hey, I want to show you guys what comes in the box. Alright, so you guys see this? This was on the lenses. I took that off already. But I had to show you guys that that came with it. And this is the case for it, so it's awesome. Now these goggles, they do come with a user manual, which you don't really need, but it's good to have it anyways. So that's how the manual looks like. And they come with this as well. Wondering what this is? It's for your ears and your nose. So if you guys use this stuff, that's great. If you don't, you will most likely just throw it away. Then we got the goggles, finally. So they're not as great as I thought they would feel. So in the pictures, they looked a lot better. And right now that I have them with me, they don't look that great. So they are bigger than your normal ones. So they almost look like snorkel goggles. But I would say they would give you the same thing as smaller ones. So these bigger ones just look bigger. But if you put smaller ones on, I don't see a big difference. Now I do like this mechanism. So you press here, and you guys can put it in or out. So you guys can adjust this just by pressing here. And you guys can adjust this whichever way to make it tighter or not tighter. You don't really need to press it to make it tighter, but it just makes things easier and smoother if you do. I can bring it out a little bit, bring it out a little bit, and just adjust it. Now this part is like so that'll go on the back of your head. It does extend quite a bit, and this part looks pretty tight. I can't really do a review. This is just an unboxing. Review's coming up because I'm going to be using these in Cuba. We're just going tomorrow actually. So right away, there's going to be a review on these, and I will let you guys know how it goes. But right now, just for this unboxing video, you guys get to see exactly how this product looks like. Which again, I expected this to be a little bit thicker. I expected this to be a little bit thicker. I expected everything to be a little bit bigger and just have more weight to it. But it's okay. It's okay for what it is. And for the price, I guess, it's fine. So as long as it works, that's where we're going to see if it's good or not. And how much it fogs. 'Cause I've seen every type of goggle that I used underwater, they always fog up in the end of the day, or they get leaks. So we'll see how this one does, and I'll let you guys know. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.